Welcome to this video on how to succeed in software engineering. In this video, we will explore the key skills and strategies that can help you become a successful software engineer. Software engineering is a rapidly growing field that offers exciting career opportunities. However, it is also a highly competitive field, and to succeed, you need to have a strong foundation of technical skills, as well as excellent communication and problem-solving abilities. In this first segment, we will discuss the essential technical skills that every software engineer should possess. These skills will help you build robust and scalable software solutions that meet the needs of your clients or customers. So, let's get started. To succeed in software engineering, you need to have a solid foundation of technical skills. Here are some of the essential technical skills that every software engineer should possess. 1. Programming languages. As a software engineer, you need to be proficient in at least one programming language. Some of the popular programming languages include Java, Python, C++, and JavaScript. You should also be familiar with the latest programming trends and frameworks. 2. Data structures and algorithms. Data structures and algorithms are the building blocks of software engineering. You need to have a strong understanding of data structures such as arrays, linked lists, and trees, as well as algorithms such as sorting and searching. 3. Database management. Most software applications rely on databases to store and retrieve data. You need to have a good understanding of database management systems such as MySQL, Oracle, and MongoDB. 4. Operating systems. As a software engineer, you need to be familiar with different operating systems such as Windows, Linux, and macOS. You should also have a good understanding of system administration and networking. 5. Testing and debugging. Testing and debugging are critical aspects of software engineering. You need to be proficient in testing frameworks such as JUnit and Selenium, as well as debugging tools such as Eclipse and Visual Studio. By mastering these technical skills, you can build robust and scalable software solutions that meet the needs of your clients or customers. In addition to technical skills, soft skills are also essential for success in software engineering. Here are some of the critical soft skills that every software engineer should possess. 1. Communication. As a software engineer, you need to communicate effectively with your team members, clients, and stakeholders. You should be able to explain technical concepts in simple terms and listen actively to feedback. 2. Problem solving. Software engineering is all about solving complex problems. You need to be able to analyze problems, identify potential solutions, and implement the best solution. 3. Time management. Software engineering projects often have tight deadlines. You need to be able to manage your time effectively and prioritize tasks to meet project deadlines. 4. Teamwork. Software engineering projects are often collaborative efforts. You need to be able to work effectively in a team, share ideas, and contribute to the success of a project. 5. Adaptability. Software engineering is a rapidly evolving field. You need to be able to adapt to new technologies, programming languages, and frameworks. By developing these soft skills, you can become a well-rounded software engineer who can work effectively in a team and deliver high-quality software solutions.